Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and behind me we have my 1957 Chevy Bel Air. So this setup, we did the US MAG 134 Desperados in the front size 20 by 9.5, positive 1 with the tire size 245 35 20. So it's a pretty big lip on this Desperado wheel, and then it has like a nice directional look. So in this wheel, they actually make them lefts for driver side and rights for passenger side. And on the rear, I decided to do 22 by 10.5 on the rear. So on the rear setup, I did 285, 25, 22, and that fits dialed in. So the offset on the rear wheel is positive 1, so the same way as the front, and dials right in. So if you guys are looking for this setup or any else, feel free to give us a call. We'll help you out and get you laced up. Thank you. Check out our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this wheel and many more that we saw on Tires Wheels Direct.